Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to draw this drawing by using these measurements. Okay guys, so here it is mentioned horizontal, this one is 100, this offset is 15, up to here 40, in this gap 15. Okay guys, this is the radiation 8, this one offset is, this length is 24, this length is 24, this length 30, this length 24. Okay guys, so now we are going to use this measurement in AutoCAD. Okay guys, if you want note it, you can note it. After that you can enter the in AutoCAD. Okay guys, now I am going to open the AutoCAD. So here I am going to type. So here when you on the ortho button, it will give the straight way. Okay, so 100, I am typing 100, then enter. So this one height PL 100, this one is 15, enter. This one also 15, then enter. So I am going to total height also 100. So I am going to enter in between. This is the center 100, then enter. So here see, this one is 24 distance, right? So we have taken in between the center line, we have draw the center line, then we have to give the offset. This side 20, this side is 12, this side is 12 offset by using center line offset. Okay guys, so now we will see here we need to use offset, then enter 12, then once right side 12, left side 12. So now we can remove this center one. Then height is 30, this height is 30. Okay, this height is 30. So we need to draw up to here 30, enter. So you can remove this one. Same thing, you can copy and paste also, otherwise you can draw. So I am just copying this one, same thing, then this one remove. So see, this one 24 in between. So this left side also we need to give the 24, enter. So now horizontal 40, enter. Same things, this side 24, enter. Now offset downward 40, enter. So this one in between we need to draw same thing. Now you can off the ortho button F8, then you can draw same thing. You can on ortho. Now again see, now drawing is completed. See, everything is complete, but we have to draw circle also, radiation. Now these things also we are going to draw. See, here we need to center, then here circles in between center, then enter radiation 8, enter. So you can remove this line. See, now it is same thing. We draw this one also, this side, this one. Now we are going to take a dimension each one. Okay guys, now here we are going to here select this one radiation, then linear. See, this measurement we have given 40, this measurement 15, this measurement 100, this also 15, this one also in between 15. So this one also 40. See, this one 24, this one also 24, this height is 30. This one radiation we have to go here, then select the radiation, select this one, drag. See, radius. See, when you see this one drawings, same thing we have draw here by using measurement. See, same thing, height 30, this one 24, 40, radiation. Like this we can draw the by using measurement. Okay guys, thank you so much.